What's up, guys? And today in another video, I'm drinking my drink. Excuse me. My eyes are burning. Okay, so I know you'll watch my other videos. Whoever comment down below and doesn't subscribers, I will send it to y'all right now. But I don't know if y'all can see it or not because y'all don't know his photo face. Go back.